Hello and welcome to a video tutorial on how to set up TeamViewer for your new Vivaldi system. TeamViewer is what is going to allow us to log into your computer and install the program for you, as well as if you have any technical support questions, it'll allow our technicians to go in and help you with those at any time. So the first thing we need to do is to install TeamViewer. In order to do that, go to teamviewer.com. It'll come up with this screen right here. You'll want to go ahead and click this big green download button. And depending on what system you're having, the download might look a little bit different. I'm using Google Chrome here. You're probably using Internet Explorer. It might ask you to run or save. Just go ahead and click on save and then save it to the desktop if possible. So once you're done with that, go ahead and click on the program and click run if it asks you. This will bring up the TeamViewer installation window. You'll want to go ahead and install, and then for personal use, click accept and finish. It'll go through installing. This might take a minute or two depending on how fast the system is, and just wait for it to install. Alright, once that's done, you should see this window pop up. It'll be on the meeting section, and it'll have your computer, your username here. And this will be blank here on the side. If you don't already have a TeamViewer account set up, go ahead and click on sign up. It'll ask you for a little bit of information, your name, your email address, your password. This email address that you use and this password we will need in order to log into your account, so make sure you write it down somewhere. So for the user email address, we're going to go ahead and put in vivaldicustomer@gmail.com into a separate file here, so it's easy to access. And for the password, what we recommend is cleaners1, since you're going to be giving us this password. Make it, simple to use for our technicians. Don't go crazy or anything. Once you've set all that up and click next, you should come to this screen. Okay. On this screen, it's asking you for your computer name and for your password. For your computer name, we recommend you just put in server if it's the server computer, or client 1, client 2, client 3, depending on which client computer you're installing TeamViewer onto. If you're only using one computer, just put the computer name as server. This will allow us to know which computer we have to log into in order to install the software and when we do tech support. For the password, again, put in something simple like cleaners1, and this is another password that we will need from you, so we'll put in cleaners1. This is what's called your personal password, and it's just an extra layer of security that TeamViewer has. If you want to put in a different password, that's fine. Just make sure when you give it to our technician, you tell them that it's different than the original. Okay. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click finish. Okay, and you should be all set up and ready to go. The last thing we need from you, though, is your ID number. In this case, the ID number is 175-684-662. So that is the last thing you need to put on this little information sheet that will probably be emailed to you. And then either email that to the technician when you're doing the setup, or you're going to tell them out loud when they call you for the setup. Okay. So once you got all that done, then it should be as simple as the technician goes in, installs the software, or does the tech support, whatever is needed from them at the time. All right. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them on the comments below, or give us a call here at the tech support number. The tech support number is 760-282-4421. All right. Thank you, and thank you for buying Vivaldi software.